What's up, tartlets? It's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 cute, easy summer hairstyles, and these are great for all year round, but I love them because a lot of them incorporate pulling your hair back, and in the summer it's super hot, so I think these are great for that. Before we get started on the hairstyles, I'm going to be using our Hair Goals dry shampoo, and of course I use this when my hair is dirty, but I also use it when my hair is clean to give my hair some extra texture. My hair is pretty soft, and it doesn't really hold well if I'm going to be braiding or doing anything fun like that. So I use our Hair Goals dry shampoo just to, again, add some texture. This first hairstyle is going to be a twist back ponytail. So I'm going to start with 2 pieces in the front of my hair. I'm going to wrap them around each other twice. You're only going to do that with the first one. And then you're going to put them over top of each other and pulling hair from the bottom each time. So kind of like a French braid, but it's a lot easier than a French braid. So if you want to create the illusion of that, this is perfect. I'm going all the way down to the bottom, and once I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead and do the other side, then pull them both into a pony. This next one will also create the illusion of a French braid. So you're going to take 2 pieces from the front, tie them in the back, and then do a little topsy tail. You're splitting the top and flipping it through. And then you're really just going down and doing that 3 more times. And then you're just gonna braid the bottom, and it looks like a French braid. This next one is my favorite. This is the pull through braid. And again, you're just going to take 2 pieces, put them in an elastic. You definitely need a little clipper. I think that's super helpful. And then you're gonna split that hair and pull through another pony, and you're just gonna keep going through as you go down the line on your hair, and just keep creating a new pony, splitting that, pulling the other one through. I think it's easier to watch it than to explain it, to be honest, but I hope you guys are getting the idea here. So again, you're just gonna keep going down and doing this throughout your entire hair. It makes your hair look so much longer than it actually is, and so much fuller. And then I like to just pull it apart and make it look even more thick. I am obsessed with this. It just gives the illusion that I have thicker, fuller hair. I'll show you guys the back again, but I am obsessed with this, and I think this is going to be my new go-to hairstyle. Side note, if anyone has any tips for getting these out, I just ripped out like a ton of my hair. I don't know if you can see it. If anyone has any tips for getting these bad boys out of your hair without losing all your hair, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you guys want to see next, and I will try to do that for you. Until next time, tartlets, I will see you later. Mwah.